Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So rain. Anyway, today will be another Diamond League race, and this will take place in Lausanne, Switzerland. Trust me, that is a tongue twister for me. You understand? Yeah, man. And we have, quite a few athletes who will be participating in various events. However, it is the 100 meter, that is the women's 100 meter race that most people are talking about. I must say that this women's 100 meter race is not hyped up as the one last week in Eugene, because Shakiri will not be in the race. So this week now in Lausanne, most people are focusing on whether Elaine will be able to break Flojo world record of 10.49 seconds. Last week in Eugene, she ran 10.54 seconds. So a lot of us are saying it is within her reach. Okay, so a lot of people are saying it is not possible for her to break the record today, and some people are hoping that she will break the record today, and some people say she can't break the record. So it is just mixed review. Personally speaking, I will leave that open. I don't know if she will break the record. I hope she can, or I hope she does, but I don't know, and I will leave it at that. However, Elaine Thompson Herah, Shelly Fraser Price, and Sherika Jackson, they will be in the women's 100 meter race starting at, I think, 2:03 Jamaican time, and that's PM, right? Okay. Even though the women's 100 meter race is very much hyped up, but that is not the race I really want to see. I want to see the men's 110 meter hurdle race with the Tokyo Olympic gold medalist Ansel Parchment, along with the bronze medalist Ronald Levy and Rashid Broadbell. Now, Broadbell is not on a lot of people's radar because he got injured while training for the Jamaica trials, and so he sent in a medical exemption. However, they didn't pick him to go to the Olympics. So if you want to see Ansel along with Ronald along with Broadbell in action, yeah man, just watch the men's 110 meter hurdles today at 1:40 Jamaican time. So Candice McLeod, she was at the Tokyo Olympics as well. She came in 5th in the 400 meter final, and she will also be in the 400 meter race at the Diamond League today, and her race will be at 1:03 PM Jamaican time. Now, Shanika Ricketts. Listen, I have a friend named Shanika Richards, and all the time when I mention Shanika, the athlete's name, I always say Richards instead of Ricketts. Shanika Ricketts. She, along with Kimberly Williams, will be in the women's triple jump starting at 1:45 PM. Okay, so some sporting stations are saying that Genevieve Russell, she was at the Olympics as well. Well, Leah was at the Olympics as well. I don't remember the placement. I think Leah got disqualified for taking shortcut because she ran into another lane which is much shorter, so she was disqualified. So some sporting stations are saying that Leah and Genevieve will be in the women's 400 meter hurdle. I am not sure, so you'll have to wait and see. Now, a lot of people don't really know Leah Nugent. That's because she was repping for USA. She was competing for USA. and she started to compete for Jamaica, I think back in 2016 when she can't make a US side no more. Yes, so that is why a lot of people are saying, who is she? Even in the Olympics, people were asking, who is she? But she's repping Jamaica from I think 2016 somewhere there, so she's not new to the scene.